Hello everyone, nice to see you. So we are starting our journey to Bombay right now. That's our first destination and we are just on the way to the airport. I think we will make it just on time, hopefully. It's gonna be baby's first time on an airplane, so let's see how that goes. Fingers crossed. Baby. Where are we going?
We're going on the aeroplane.
Are you excited to fly? Are you excited to fly in the sky? No.
You're going to be the birdie.
You know, the weather is 22 degrees here, and we are leaving to Mumbai, where it's gonna be possibly hotter than this. And we do this every year when the weather gets good in Dubai, and that's when we decide to leave. But we're gonna go home and see our loved ones, so
Yeah, depends on what. Yeah, everybody comes with that.
let's see what's going to happen. How many kgs do you think we're carrying? We made it to the airport. The time is, I think, we're like possibly 15 minutes or 20 minutes away from check-in. And yeah, here we go. It's pretty crowded, but December is the most busiest season where people are traveling, especially for Dubai Airport. So yeah, this is what a peak Dubai Airport looks like, and that's it's on a Thursday morning. So
Would you even option for it? Would you? Should be enough, no?
Baby, Glamour's come. Glamour's come to see you.
Lala. No, let her say glamour. Let us see her version. Riyan's changed glamour to Lala. Let's see what nickname she gives me.
For a rose ceremony.
Sacrament of holy matrimony. So, as we are all geared to begin, let us then pray and wish Aransha the very best in life. As she's all set for the cleansing and purification process, may I request each one of you to please rise from your seats. Lovely note presenting to you, as we say in Konkani, Amchi Apurbai Chi Vokal by Aransha.
So we'll find out what a rose ceremony is going to be
Yeah.
like right now.
With the eggs.
Do we see somebody at the door out there?
ये अपनी वसी कर मिलर चेकी ये
come in. Let's put your hands together and welcome them. Beautiful. Okay, girls. We want Aransha and the rest of the bridesmaids around her. Eva? Alright, and now let's introduce our ravishing bridesmaid. Okay? You're going to gently pour it. A 1, a 2, and a 3. The petals as well. You can now put the bowl on. Let's hear it for our bride.
I'm going to be that awkward camera guy at the weddings.
Yeah. We have to take her,
I'm just gonna-
like when she has food in her mouth.
Yeah.
Take her answer, chew.
Just when about her to chew, that's when we
Zoom in on her
scoop.
face with her.
We see all the gaps, all the chicken in the tooth.
Anybody wants anything?
Come on now. Fast.
Wow. Sing for me. It's not even happy, it's happy birthday.
Happy
It's happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Esmeralda. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
How does it feel to be
Thank you to
45?
Cookie and Naveen for
Thank
the
you.
flowers.
Thank you.
Yay,
Sorry,
thank you
although-
for the cake.
Although,
That is for the room number.
Oh.
Apparently I suck at this, so it will depend on you then. Wait, slowly, don't move.
Oh. Now come.
Thank you.
You can eat the full piece, go take the proper.
Taste the cake.
Yeah, I need to taste
No,
it.
2 seconds.
Malalama.
This is called non-spoiled spicy dish.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you. So it's day 3, and we are in a rickshaw going 22 kilometers, which is gonna take us approximately 2 to 3 hours, which is crazy. But we're traveling in a tuk-tuk, and we are here just passing peak traffic in the cities of Mumbai. Sandra is spending her birthday with the auto. What do you like about your birthday, Sandra?
Lot of things about my birthday. I'm with you, I'm with mom, I'm with baby, with all my childhood friends. So yeah, this is an amazing birthday.
hopefully we will get there on time and spend some time there so we can come back. Yep. Now, so we're recording this guy, buying flowers from him. कितने का है सर? 250. So journey is 3 hours. It's so long that we have stopped halfway. And now we are waiting for another pickup to come take us from here. So while we wait for our next ride to come, we're standing here by the shade. Miss Sandra is getting the full Mumbai feel. Let's go check out what's on the other side. Okay. This is what is over here. Pretty clean actually for a junction in Mumbai, except for this. Maybe I can pretend that I didn't see this. Okay, I think I heard something move in the bushes, so let me run away. Yeah, it's pretty hot here though. I think the weather must be around 31, 32 today, and bright and sunny.
Hello, we came and you opened the door for us.
This has to be
Dude, I don't know why there's so much traffic though.
has to be another state, another country, something.
Hi.
Hello.
Come. Give your bags and keep it. Bro? Yeah. Sir coming off this madam
narrating her stories again.
tea, sir tired. So mom would like, okay, and then she would say, what?
Valla, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mala.
Now we have another 2.5 ride back home.
Love you. See you tomorrow. See. That's yours? This one is ours?
I think so. Now we're passing through the very famous Dharavi.
मैंने मना नहीं किया, मैंने तेरे को बोला पैसा बढ़ा के बोल उसको. अबे आसिफ भाई उसको कुछ कर मत जैसा है.
Ladies and gentlemen, come along. The rest of you can join in. Everybody on the dance floor.